Magandang umaga, Pilipinas! Nandito kami ni Shanta ngayon sa Hong Kong! Paso Endoro! That's right, ladies and gentlemen. Duanta have made it to Hong Kong, and we're about to show you some of the cool things you can see and do here. First up, try and escape from Hong Kong's massive airport. I'm beginning to feel like Hong Kong is just one giant airport. Hey Mark, man, you can check out Hong Kong, dude.
Naghang.
Naghang. Pa-bebe shark, pa-bebe shark. Social ba yun? May train tayo.
MRT.
MRT? Social na MRT.
Social na MRT.
Social version. Ayun ka, Cubao. Shanta, baba tayo sa Shaw Boulevard, ha? This is really fast. Bilis. Talo ang MRT. Anong sabi mo, Mark? Saan na tayo? Magallanes. Hindi pa Shaw Boulevard. Ayun, nasa Shaw Boulevard na tayo. Wow, social ng Shaw Boulevard. So many travelators. So many escalators. Ang dami. Walang katapusan. We made it outside the airport. Grabe, maiyahin duro maggawa sa airport, no? Mauyam.
Libot lang.
Diba? Karangit. Uyam?
Nag-train ka na, nag-vocalator ka na, nag-escalator ka na, hindi ka pa din makakalabas na airport.
Yes, we're halfway outside. I feel like I've been inside the airport for ages. Diba, Shanta?
Maiyahin duro.
And we're inside again. I'm beginning to feel like Hong Kong is just one giant airport. So we've been on a train, escalators, walkalators, got people walking, now we're on a bus. Kailan yung katapusan ng biyahe natin? Alright, baby. Now, we'll get to go outside. We've been in Hong Kong for 2 hours and we haven't been outside yet. Airport pa lang. Okay, we made it to wherever we are, but we're still not at the hotel yet. We've got to go through a shopping center to get to the hotel. Grabe. Anong klase? Ay, nakita Yanu. Nakita?
Novotel.
It's Klang Klang and Kling Kling. Ano ba to, Rizzy? Sogo ng Hong Kong? Sogo.
Sogo?
Yeah. Kasya tayo. Kasya tayo, Shanta. Shanta is so sleepy.
Allergy.
Yes, you do. It's alright. Kain ka lang. Tulog ka. Gagaling ka na. Ito po ang hotel room namin. Maliit. Sobrang maliit. Oh my. Don't you love it when you're with your wife and your brother-in-law in the one room?
Nag-video ka nag-lodis.
Hindi kami ma-sleep, kami natulo. Because the price of housing here is so expensive in Hong Kong, this is how you save money and holiday at the same time. Tingnan yung view namin, parang Mactan lang. After making it out of the massive airport and finally arriving at our tiny hotel room, it's time to go and do the first tourist thing for the day, Victoria Harbour. Adi kami hakuan. Usa nga mahusay nga bay nga Victoria Harbour. Mahusay durod dinhi, pero sining ni Shanta mas mahusay nga yan na Karigara Boulevard, di ba bebe?
At saka sa sa Dumaguete, Rizal Boulevard. It's the best joke.
So mas mahusay lagi apon Pilipinas.
No, you know,
Panalo ang Pilipinas.
You know,
Kami ni Mark masaka kami na diha Garden of Stars, di ba Mark? Yes.
hey.
Mana Mildred!
Hello!
Mabuhay Pilipinas! Nandito po ako sa Hong Kong ngayon. Actually, wala ako sa Pilipinas. Nandito kami sa Garden of Stars. Dito sa Garden of Stars, wala palang bituin. Mga artista pala. Tingnan natin. It's Bruce Lee! Ito po ang isa sa mga pinakamagandang tourist spot dito sa Hong Kong. Itong lugar na to ay tinatawag na Garden of Stars. Diba? Parang totoo lang. Ito po ang isang eksena dito sa Garden of Stars ngayon. Ako po yung bida. Char. Ikaw na te, ikaw na ang bida. Sige na.
Thank you!
Yun, kasya. Kambal ko pala si Lau Ching Wan. Pwede ba? Pwede. Sige.
Okay.
Siyempre, di na pwedeng mabenta.
Viral to eh.
1, 2, are you on your vlog?
Yes, I'm on my vlog. Ikaw din, you're on my vlog na.
Hi! Can we have a picture with you?
Pwede po. Ayun, salamat. Wala naman. Tama na, recording na. Okay, direct. And action! Cut! Ano ba yan? Palpak yung performance mo. Ulitin mo. Ulitin mo. Next up on the list, the Sampan Ride.
Ano kasi daw tawag dito?
I'm on a boat.
I'm on a boat, on a boat. Everybody look at me, cause I'm sailing on a boat. I'm on a boat.
So where's this boat taking us, Shanta? Bebe?
Uwi na tayo sa Pilipinas.
Uwi na. Sa boat na ganito. That is freaking cool. A jumbo floating restaurant. Damn. Ang daming taga Hong Kong na mayaman talaga, grabe. Tingnan mo ang mga yacht na yan. Ito ang Pasig River ng Hong Kong. Pero malinis, mabango. Everything in Hong Kong is super expensive. This boat ride cost us 60 bucks, 60 Hong Kong dollars for a, what, 10-minute boat ride, yeah? 60 Hong Kong dollars, mate. And that's each per person. So this cost me in Shanta 120 bucks for a 15-minute boat ride. Bloody hell. Good place for a holiday, but I couldn't live here. Everything's such a rip-off. Mas maganda ang buhay sa Pilipinas kasi mura ang lahat, di ba? Dapat nagpapasalamat tayo na nakatira tayo sa Pilipinas kasi masaya ang lahat ng tao, mura ang lahat ng bagay. At alam ng mga Pilipino kung ano ang importante. Hindi pera ang importante, kundi pamilya, pag-ibig. Yan ang gusto ko sa Pilipinas. And now it's time to head to the highlight of our trip. Ngayong araw, pupunta po kami sa Disneyland. Tara na! Bebe,
Yeah,
excited ka na Disneyland?
Disneyland yung gusto ko, ayoko dito.
Para kay Shanta, ang Hong Kong, parang Pilipinas lang. Di ba?
No, pero malinis kasi dito, kaya maganda. Pero ano, gusto ko ng nature.
May MRT dito, may Mactan Bridge dito, but walang Disneyland sa Pilipinas. Di ba? Stay tuned as Shanta and I travel to Disneyland. Nandito kami ngayon sa Hong Kong Disneyland! And see the street parades and other freaky stuff. Abangan!
Someday when spring is here, we'll find our love anew and the